most beneficial thing that I got out of working with you guys were the way that you had everything structured and completely on timelines and setting up calls and wanting to understand who we are and all of that good stuff. So it was a thrill to be able to do that, because I tried to do it on my own, and that didn't work at all. I kept pushing it off and for years. So you guys brought it all together and gave me a timeline and stuck to it, and everything came together and it worked out just great. My advice would be to take the time to make highlights or notes to the highlights that you want to make sure that you don't miss, and keep going through them every week as you're going through your phone calls to make sure that you have everything set up in the right time frames and the right format that you want to have it in the book. The most valuable part of all of this for me was getting it done. I don't think I would have ever been able to do it on my own. And with you guys coming in and holding my feet to the fire and setting up the meetings and the time frames and all that stuff, it just made the job come to a completion sooner than I ever expected it to be. Obviously, one benefit is to have the book done so that we can use it as a prospecting tool to advance Insurance Office of America to agents that are looking at us or kicking the tires. So that would be the most beneficial thing that I see coming out of the book as far as the marketing side of it goes. And the second thing I would say, it's gonna make it easier for me to do another book just about my career or my life from childhood all the way up through retirement. So